Heyco Datacom Telecom and Electrical Systems has provided an extensive inventory of durable and reliable products for over 90 years, addressing the challenges of cable protection, environmental sealing, thermal management, and installation. Heyco Hook and Loop Velcro Ties, cinch ties, and rolls offer a versatile and reusable cable management solution designed for a broad application of systems requiring frequent access, reconfiguration, or serviceability, such as data centers, industrial equipment, consumer electronics, and communication systems. The Hook and Loop Velcro tie allows quick installation, easy adjustment, and a repeated use of over 5,000 cycles. The soft and flexible nylon material reduces abrasion and strain on cable bundles while providing a secure hold without component damage. Immediate shipping for several lengths, widths, and styles is available in multiple color options to meet various wire and cable management needs in computer, datacom, telecom, and more.